Hi, brothers and sisters. Welcome to our channel Know Your History, created specifically to know the roots of Indian culture and the legendary heroes' stories. So, every day we will be discussing about a historical leader who helped pave the way for future we are in. Without no further delay, let's jump into our today's topic about another great legend, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the Maratha Lion. In the year 1630, amidst the rugged terrains of Shivneri Fort, a child was born to Jijabai and Shahaji Bhosle, a child who would one day carve out a kingdom from oppression. As the young Shivaji grew, he learned the art of warfare, governance, and diplomacy under the watchful eyes of his mother and tutor, Dadoji Kondeo. The stories of great rulers fueled his desire for Swarajya, a land free from tyranny. By the age of 16, Shivaji Maharaj was no ordinary youth, he was a strategist, a leader of men. Recognizing the strength of forts, he began capturing strongholds like Torna, Rajgarh, and Purandar, laying the foundation for the Maratha Empire. His guerrilla warfare tactics made him an unpredictable force, striking swiftly and retreating before his enemies could respond. The Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb imprisoned Shivaji as a mere nuisance, yet time and again, the Maratha warrior outwitted his forces. When invited to Agra in 1666, Shivaji sensed danger. Confined within the walls of the Mughal court, he devised an audacious escape. Disguised in baskets of sweets, he slipped out, leaving his captors bewildered. By 1674, Shivaji was crowned Chhatrapati, marking the formal establishment of the Maratha Empire. His governance was marked by fair taxation policies, protection of farmers, and a justice system free from corruption. The Ashtpradhan Mandal, his council of 8 ministers, ensured efficiency in administration, which together led to the birth of sovereign empire. While most rulers focused on territorial conquests, Shivaji understood the importance of naval strength. He built a formidable navy, securing India's western coast and preventing foreign invasions. His fleet patrolled the Konkan coastline, ensuring trade prosperity and safeguarding the people who this futuristic thought made him a true master of both land and sea. Shivaji Maharaj's reign was not just about conquest, it was about respect. He upheld religious tolerance, treating people of all faiths with dignity. He enacted laws to protect women, ensuring they were never harmed during his military campaigns. Though Shivaji Maharaj passed away in 1680, his vision, courage, and unwavering determination live on in India's history. His legacy continues to inspire leaders, warriors, and dreamers alike. Isn't his story really interesting and inspiring? Thanks for listening, and don't forget to like or share the video. Bye for now and catch up with you again with another inspiring leader tomorrow.